Hello guys, this is Jen and I wanted to show you our newest set that Anna and I are making up, and this is a watercolor set, but you know what, you can do it with crayon, you can do it with pen, you can do it with charcoal, it doesn't matter. Watercolor is good too, but here's the finished ones that I did, okay? And in your kit you'll get this, you'll get the doodles to make these. And so these two be pre-traced on watercolor postcard paper. And if you get these with this next week, so you have 1 week, you'll get this bonus one. Isn't that cute? Look at that. You can do whatever you want with it. You can do the pens. This is a great kids project. And I'm making sure it's in the screens. There we go. So again, you get the roses. You get the flowers. And you get the cute chickens, and you can do it however you want. You can color them, like I said, with watercolor pencils, with pens, with markers, with crayons, with pastels. So all three of these for $5 on the website at landofmilkandhoneysoap.com, and it's going to be available for 1 week. Again, these are $5 for the whole, all three. And that includes shipping. So let me know. I'll talk to you later. Thank you. And don't forget, we're doing our Art Across My Heart program. So we take, and I will paint one, and then I encourage you to do one too, and send it to somebody that needs a little hug. If you do that, please post and let me know on my YouTube channel or Facebook. To say that you've done that for somebody else, and maybe even post a picture of what you did. Again, this is a great kids project too, so I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.